Okay, so this is my 2012 Commander XT1000. So it's got a noise when you're driving, so I'm going to take it out here and hopefully you can hear the sound and maybe give me some advice on what it is. There's a howling or whirling noise, maybe a whistle or something at first, but then you also get this clanging or something noise, and anyway, hopefully it turns out in the video. So let's see what we got. Everything's good now. It's only when it's in gear and you're traveling, so